Welcome everybody to the MCA International Stadium here in Gaunze, Pune. Qualifier 1 of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League between table toppers Eagle Nashik Titans and 4S Puneri Bappa. So as expected, Eagle Nashik Titans skipper opting to bowl. These are the two teams that have lined up for this particular contest. The skipper Prashant Solanki leading the Eagle Nashik Titans, the table toppers. At the other end, you've got Yash Shirsagar of 4S Puneri Bappa. It promises to be humdinger of a contest. There they are, 4S Puneri Bappa. The openers will step out now. Yash Nahar and Murtaza Trankwala. Murtaza Trankwala has been a consistent batter in this competition overall.
वहीं ईगल नासिक टाइटंस के लिए मुकेश चौधरी 10 विकेट ले चुके हैं.
Counting down now. Yes, the umpire says and the big screen says, let's play. And Mukesh Chaudhary will be on his way. The first delivery. Let's see what happens. Half-hearted appeal, miscommunication, overthrows, but no damage done. Nicely done there. Third man will not be able to cut it off. That's the first boundary of qualifier 1. Oh, appeal, given.
और ये बात मुकेश ने सुन ली. यार नहीं जी, शुरुआत तो मैं करूंगा बढ़िया अपनी टीम के लिए. कमाल के गेंदबाज हैं और फिर से वो नई गेंद पे अपनी टीम को विकेट दिलाते हुए.
Yes, Yash Nahar walks off for 5. It's 6 for 1 after first over. Coming in at number 3 is Rushikesh Sonavne. 6 forms. Oh, beaten all ends up. Huge appeal.
Decision on this one. Ready.
Yes.
In the power play, crunched. Beautifully connected. That's the area he was targeting. This time around gets maximum. The first. Beautifully connected. Crunched. The last ball of the power. Tossed up, in wide, accepted, deep mid wicket taken. So Prashant Solanki, the skipper of the Eagle Nashik.
Prashant Solanki bowls one up. And the batter, he is not very sure because the first couple of deliveries he got beaten. Tried to hoik that one and very easily caught by Kaushal. Beautiful. Kaushal. Murtaza Trankwala goes back on 28, 61 for 2.
Skipper against the skipper now. And at number 4 is Yash Shirsagar. There's a slip.
वहां बहुत डेंजरस होते हैं.
Apesh. There's a fielder, but he'll only watch the ball sail over the fence.
यहाँ पे 4 और मिल सकते हैं. जी हाँ, 4 जोड़ दीजिए. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी दिशा अच्छी नहीं.
1 right now. Down the ground. And that's a 6.
ये लीजिए, अक्षय वाइकर ने दिखाया है ये अपनी टीम के लिए कितने अहम गेंदबाज हैं. पिछली गेंद पे छक्का खाया.
Yes, excellently done there. Absolutely wonderful bowling by Akshay Vaikar. This really... Yes, Shirsagar walks back for 12. It's 94 for 3.
जिस तरीके से फॉर्मेट है ना, जितना आप तेज डालते हैं ना बल्लेबाज के लिए उतना आसान काम हो जाता है, क्योंकि बढ़िया तरीके से वो बैट पे आता है गेंद. यहाँ 2 मिल गए हैं भाई. एक ही होना चाहिए था लेकिन 2 हो गए हैं और ऋषिकेश ने अशतक बना लिया है अपना. कितने अहम समय पे अपनी टीम के लिए एक लाजवाब पारी खेलते हुए दूसरा अर्धशतक बनाया है अपने कैरियर का भी और इस सीजन में भी.
Driven. And this time, no one will be able to cut it off.
बल्लेबाज ने लगाई है. यहाँ बड़ा शॉट लगाने की कोशिश है. संपर्क इतना अच्छा नहीं हुआ है. प्रशांत सोलंकी.
He's gone for 7. It's 103 for 4. Oh! Absolute beauty. Done him again.
यहाँ पे सचिन भोसले के पास मौका था ही नहीं जी. और बहुत ज्यादा टर्न नहीं हुआ है. जितना होना चाहिए था बस उतना टर्न कराया है. बैट और पैड के बीच में से निकलती हुई गेंद.
Yes, Sachin Bhosle has gone for a duck. It's 103 for 5.
the Eagle Nashik Titans, Mandar Bhandari. The brilliant keeper, again an appeal given. And this
Active. Ball pitched up. Tries to steer that one. Drags his back foot up. And the keeper, in a flash, stumps him. Beautiful overall. And Ram Krishna Ghosh goes back on 3. 109 for 7.
T20 cricket at its best. With the spinners dominating. Oh, Mandar Bhandari. Win tickets. To London in the slot. Straight up in the air. Long off. Will be a spectator. It's been some ball. Suraj Shinde won't spare him either. Low full toss. Long on this time. Is going to be a spectator. So both the fielders have been troubled by both the batters.
Teams have gone above 200. And this one, this is what we call a slap shot, thappad shot. And
oh, that was again connected well. And that'll be 4 runs. Mukesh to Suraj. On the off, straight up in the air. 3 fielders coming under it. Short fine calls for it and takes it. So the first ball after the break, Mukesh Chaudhary has picked up a wicket.
a small cameo by Suraj Shinde ends at 22. One.
Outside the off stump in the block hole, over extra. Nicely connected by Rishikesh Sonawde. And with that boundary, they've crossed the 150 run barrier. That's where we talk of the advantage that you get. A flurry in the end. They've crossed the 150 run mark in an important match. Batting first, runs on the board. Decent finish for Puneri Bappa.
Puneri Bappa's Yash Nahar got out very cheaply earlier on. Mukesh Murtaza Trankwala.
That Puneri Bappa cross the 150 run mark. 2 wickets for Mukesh Chaudhary, 2 wickets for Akshay Vaikar, a wicket for Rohan Damle. Prashant Solanki was brilliant. 4 overs, 3 for 23 at an economy of 5.7.
There's no pressure about finishing in the top 4, top 2, all that sensibly, bat normally, and they'll be able to romp home.
लेकिन उनके सामने हैं सचिन भोसले, 12 विकेट इनके नाम हैं क्रॉस करके। इंपैक्ट प्लेयर आ गए हैं। आए कौन है? रोशन।
Yes, here we go. Played that watchfully did Mandar Bhandari.
के खिलाफ शतक बनाना कमाल है भाई। यहाँ रन्स मिलेंगे। जो गेंदबाज ने थोड़ी सी गलती करी थी ना, पांव पे डाली थी उसका
Take that, says Mandar Bhandari. And the ball races to the boundary. What a response.
भाई 11 गेंदों में 5 हैं। लीजिए लगा दिया बड़ा शॉट, बिल्कुल सीधे बल्ले से। जब आप इस तरीके से बैटिंग कर सकते हैं तो क्या जरूरत है आपको? स्पिनर्स आएंगे।
And he gets a boundary. What a way to end the over. It's 30 for no loss after 4 overs.
Oh, that is a top shot. They've been building this platform for a while.
अच्छी बारी खेली, उन्हें शतक भी बनाया। एक बड़ोड़ा में मैच था। ये कमाल का शॉट यहाँ पर। हरसिन कुलकर्णी उनकी बात कर रहे थे, तारीफ कर रहे थे।
Goodness gracious, that is monstrous.
शॉट बिल्कुल ऑफ स्टंप मिडिल स्टंप के ऊपर से उठाई है। बहुत ही बेहतरीन शॉट और कितना लंबा चीज छोटी है। तो मार पड़ेगी, हवा में गेंद, ये विकेट आई है। ये बाहर वाली गेंद डाली थी हरसिन कुलकर्णी, उनकी तारीफ, और काफी दूर जाके चेस की उन्होंने, इसलिए वो शॉट भी काफी वीक हो गया। और बढ़िया कैच वहां पर।
Harshan Kulkarni, just when he was looking so settled, he departs for 22. And
It's 79 runs to get from 59 deliveries. And it's even lesser runs to get now. With that huge 6 over mid-off.
Good chance for you to get a ticket to London. In the meanwhile, goes with the spin, connects well over extra. An extraordinary shot by Parak. Yeah, we need more of sunlight. In the meanwhile, here is the call. Catch it is the call. Mid-wicket fielder coming under it, and that's the big one.
Bappa's right in the slot, fails to connect it. He's been there for about 40 deliveries, made 58, but couldn't connect this one of Roshan, and holes into Murtaza Trankwala at Kaus corner. That was a wicket they needed.
49, required rate of 7.35. Have a look at his figures. 45 runs so far in this series. With a
Runs to get is just about 1.3 per ball. And when you get fours like this one,
34 for the next. Short ball. And nicely played.
Nashik Titans. This time up in the air. The fielder will just watch the ball sail over the fence into the stand.
कि मिश्रण करते हुए और जब उनको मौका नहीं मिलता तब एक सिंगल लेते हैं, लेकिन ये ओवर 15 रनों का ओवर मिला है इनको और जिस ओवर की जरूरत थी वो आते हुए उनके
Full toss. He's connected that one. 4 runs. 19 runs of that over. At the end of 13, the Eagle Nashik. The purple cap holder in the meanwhile just creating the ramp. Nicely placed. Perhaps expecting a bouncer again.
and he was coaching him. What a shot that one is. Will it go all the way? Yes, it does. What a tongue that one. Another shot.
Waited on that, and he sends that sailing over deep square leg.
खुद को सीखना है उनको अभी भी मैच के साथ बना के ले जाना, और जब आप 40-50 में बल्लेबाजी करते हो ना तो अच्छा फिनिश कैसे करते हो. ये चौका है.
Taking it to another final. He'll get a top edge. It will fly away for maximum. And with that, we have our first finalist of the third edition of the Adani Maharashtra Premier League. And it will be the table toppers. A convincing victory for the Eagle Nashik Titans. They win by 8 wickets. It's been comprehensive in every sense of the word. With the ball, they restricted Puneri Bappa to an average total. And with the bat, they've made light work of this chase. Good all.
कमाल की कप्तानी, लीडरशिप वहां पे प्रशांत सोलंकी की, और गेंदबाजी भी पूरे सीजन में कमाल करी है और बेस्ट सीजन.
Apologies, it was the chat with the losing captain. We'll come back with the post-match in just a bit, but here's a quick recap of what happened over the last few hours. Puneri Bappa 153 and the Eagle Nashik Titans getting that done pretty quickly in about 17.2 overs. They win by 8 wickets, they make it to the final. Let's